The Irish philosopher and politician Edmund Burke is said to have said, "If we control our money, we will be rich and free. If our money makes us do what it wants, we are very poor in today's society, where money is seen as the ultimate sign of success. We often get stuck in a maze of earning and spending, wants and needs, and as a result, we can't succeed, no matter how hard we try or what our reasons are." Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you the 14 laws of money. Let's now get going. Number 1. Money is earned through crisis. According to Forbes' top millionaire and Wall Street guru, Warren Buffett, the key to making money on Wall Street is to be greedy when others are terrified, and scared when others are greedy. This method works for all financial decisions, since smart people see opportunities to make money when things are bad. How do people generate money when everything is closed, real estate is underperforming, and stocks are down? During this period, the wealthy purchase assets, refinance loans, and increase liquidity. The same is true for capital markets. Stock prices decrease briefly during crises. When prices fall, most people panic and start selling to avoid losing money, whereas the wealthy, who understand financial rules, are busy buying. Number 2. Money is a game of exchange. Trading generates income. Some people make money, and others earn it. When you exchange your time and effort for money, you make money. Making money is defined as investing your time, energy, and a little bit of creativity and obtaining consistent returns. A transaction requires money to be transferred from the buyer's pocket to the business's account. Number 3. Money attracts money. This is one of the 20th century's most important financial rules. Have you ever pondered why wealthy individuals exclusively connect with wealthy people? It's not that they don't want to hang out with poor people. Rather, their financial situation attracts folks from the same socioeconomic class. Keeping this in mind, if you want to be prosperous, you must first make friends with the wealthy. With wealthy friends, you'll soon pick up their strategies and habits and blend in. Number 4. Money is easy to get and harder to maintain. Many people accumulate riches rapidly, but they frequently lose them. Let me explain the huge check phenomenon in more detail. Consider a $200,000 per month realtor who sells a $6 million house. He begins to live as if he makes that much money over the next few months, despite the reality that he only makes roughly $17,000 each month. The advance cash dupes the agent into focusing on and applying the entire total. When they detect a few zeros in their bank account, most individuals overreact. Instead of investing the money wisely to double it, they change their lifestyle by spending more, not realizing that the increase is only temporary. Money is simple to create but difficult to preserve when produced and cared for. Number 5. Money loves secrecy. Money works best when it is kept a secret. Always keep your account private. The rule is to always retain a secret account that only you know about. Never talk to anyone about your finances and always be prudent. On the other hand, you never know when you'll need money, so keeping a hidden account can be useful. Number 6. Money hates stagnation. Even if it seems ludicrous, it is true. I'll clarify what we mean. Moving money from one area to another is appreciated. Losses arise when money stops working or even leaves because it is boring. But let's look a bit further. For instance, if money is continually invested in the same company without yielding results, the business eventually gets stale. And at the end of the day, all you're doing is losing money. In terms of income diversification, the same is true. Many projects benefit from financial investment. The only option left is to sit and watch it attack you from every angle. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 7. Money loves risk takers. The truth is that as you become older, you become less willing to take risks. For example, a 23-year-old may be able to invest in more risky opportunities than a 70-year-old. At that age, your risk tolerance is unquestionably lower than it was when you were younger. Money rewards risk takers, and if you plan on staying safe your entire life, you may not make it. Great opportunities often come with great risk. So while you're young, make prudent investments and take cautious chances in all you do. Number 8. Money hates spendthrifts. What happens if a sugar container that has been drained is not replenished? Nothing will remain in the jar. Money will never thrive in an environment where it is frequently frittered away. The great majority of wealthy people who can afford to live luxurious lives have additional income sources. If you want to be rich, you can't fly first class, drive the most expensive cars, or buy the most expensive homes, unless you have a good way to get your money back. Number 9. Money loves authenticity. Make your own rules when it comes to money. Ideas that are unique and innovative will always find a market. Even if business is dull, it sells, and corporations usually emphasize their offerings over their values. Entrepreneurship frequently requires defying convention and tenaciously advancing a position. Instead of striving to live like successful people, try to study them and learn from what they have to say. Number 10. Money loves to be controlled. I enjoy managing money, if I'm being completely honest. Never let your funds go out of control since that will cause problems. Record the balances in each bank account as well as the typical amount spent on costs. If you don't manage your money, it will rule you. If you don't set a limit on how much you can spend each month, your finances will decide what you can and can't buy. Number 11. Money can never be the problem or the solution. If money is an issue, it is clearly not the solution. This is where folks go wrong. Because they don't have enough money, they think that getting more money will solve their problems. So what comes next? They become trapped in a loop of accruing more and more debt that they cannot afford. Instead of borrowing additional money to solve your current financial troubles, why not look for alternative sources of income? That is the only way to address a financial problem. You can undertake a side hustle, a second job, or even start your own business. Number 12. Money doesn't change people. Although most of you will disagree with this remark, it is accurate. Money and success will not change you. Instead, they will showcase what you already have. Someone who becomes suddenly proud and arrogant after becoming affluent has always been proud and arrogant because money allows them to be their authentic selves. Number 13. If you think money will make you happy, then you are broke. Money, according to Benjamin Franklin, a founding father of the United States, has never made a man happy, and it never will. It has no intrinsic potential to foster happiness. The more a man has, the more he desires. It creates a vacuum rather than filling one. They believe money is the sixth sense that allows you to enjoy the other five. Money is only in the picture because we need it to pay for everything we want to provide us with happiness. Some claim that happiness is self-created and that money does not add to it. Some argue that money equals greater issues. I feel that money can contribute to happiness, but it is not sufficient. Number 14. Let money work for you. One fundamental distinction between the rich and the poor is that the rich make money work for them, while the poor work for the money. A wealthy man will hire the best minds to run his business while focusing his time on strategy. But a poor man will work his entire life for the wealthy. A wealthy person will have several streams of passive income that allow him to generate money without working, but a poor person will struggle to make ends meet. A wealthy individual has a budget and even an emergency fund, whereas a poor individual lives paycheck to paycheck and will go hungry if he is not paid. The distinctions are clear. Money that works for you simply presents you with more money. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.